In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update item statuses in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the left sidebar and click into the workspace where your board lives. From there, select the board you want to update in bulk. As soon as the board opens, you should see 6 items already listed, and each one has a different status. That gives you a clear before view, so it will be easy to see the bulk update happen across the whole board in just a moment. Now move to the top left area of the item table. Look for the small checkbox above the first item and just to the left of the column headers. This is the Select All checkbox. Click it once. Right away, all 6 items become highlighted. You should also see a Batch Actions toolbar appear along the bottom of the screen, confirming that the items are selected. This toolbar is helpful because it gives you a quick visual check that you're about to apply an action to multiple items, not just one. With everything still selected, go over to the status column and click any one of the status cells from the selected items. It does not need to be a specific row because Monday.com will apply the change to everything that is currently selected. A status picker will open. From that list, choose Done. As soon as you click Done, every selected item updates at the same time. You should now see all 6 items showing the same status, which is done. This is the key benefit of the bulk update feature. Instead of opening each row one by one and changing them manually, you can update the entire selection in a single action. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To finish cleanly, go down to the Batch Actions toolbar at the bottom of the screen and click the X button. That clears the selection and removes the toolbar from view. Now the board remains updated, but nothing is actively selected anymore. At this point, all 6 items should still display the status Done, and the screen should look tidy again with the Batch toolbar gone. That disappearing toolbar is a useful final confirmation that the bulk action is complete and that you've exited selection mode. That's the full process for bulk updating item statuses in Monday.com. Open the board, select all items, change one status cell to Done, and then clear the selection. It's a simple workflow, but it can save a lot of time when you're managing several items at once and want your board to stay consistent.